And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and anywhere you're watching, you're tuning in. Thank you for watching, and to those who will watch the replay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Ako po si Lori, a proud mother of two, a former OFW, and now a proud digital business owner. Last night, we kick off with this series, my pilot episode of Kape at Kwento, with such a powerful story from Reggie, a Dabawenya cardiology nurse in the UK for 24 years, who chose to create a change for herself through this business. Nakaka-inspire, di ba? Pero ngayong gabi, kwentuhan lang muna tayo. Usapang presyo, buhay, at pangarap. Alam mo ba nung bata pa ako, yung I could buy a bottle of Coke, 500 ml of Coke, like it's just two pesos and 50 cents lang. Ngayon, halos I think 30 pesos na yata ang presyo ng isang bote ng Coke. And it's not just Coke. Lahat tumataas. Pagkain, pamasahe, kuryente, school fee, and yung income ng karamihan, ganun pa rin. This is what we call inflation. Tahimik pero malakas ang impact. And kung hindi tayo kikilos, baka magasing na lang tayo isang araw na hindi talaga sapat yung kinikita natin. I may not be working as an OFW now, but I clearly remember the pressure. Yung pagod ka, yung pagka-budget mo ng matindi, yung nag-worry ka kung may emergency bukas. That's why I'm so thankful that I took the leap and I started this business. Kasi habang kaya pa ng katawan, habang malakas pa tayo, this is the time to build something extra. Kasi kapag dumating na yung araw na hindi na tayo kasing sigla na ngayon, at least may naipundar na tayong iba, di ba? So I leave you with this tonight. If you're watching this and something inside you is stirring, if you're feeling na parang may kulang, may kailangan akong gawin, maybe this is your sign. Walang perfect timing. Ang meron lang is your decision. And sometimes, all it takes is just one yes to start rewriting your story. Thank you for spending your time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. So let's continue to earn smart and live free. If curious kayo, ano ba tong business na ito, you may sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and you will be able to know ano ba itong business na ito. Okay, good night and God bless. See you again on my next live. Bye-bye.